Lacrosse, it's a game that's so fast. I mean, the ball alone can stop your heart. There's body checks, there's stick checks. I've been hit so hard I've blacked out. My junior year, I just transferred from University of New England to Keene State College. It was my first practice, first week, and I went to go step, and I just heard a loud pop. And like I couldn't not just hear that noise in the back of my head. If you tear your ACL, you know that's really it. I remember walking into the ER anxious, scared, and it was a lot to handle at once. I was not only thinking about lacrosse, and now in my college experience, I was thinking about 20 years, 10 years, 15 years down the road from now. It was a lot of weight on my shoulders. The first time I saw Dr. Goldenberg, I was in the orthopedics office downstairs on the basement floor of Cheshire Medical Center, and him and I kind of hit it off like right off the bat after he did his, his MD stuff and all his super high-end fancy stuff on my knee. I really started to look at him as a coach, and he put the ball in my court. He told me that learn how to walk, learn how to run, then you can learn how to sprint. Then once you can learn how to sprint, then it's possible to be back to a lacrosse player. Well, that made me feel so much better because he never once told me that it was impossible. It feels awesome. It's honestly a feeling I can't even put into words. It's a gift to be able to walk, run, sprint, play this game that we play for the founders of the game. We play for the people, we play for our mom and dad, we play for our brothers to our left and our right. And it all came from Dr. Goldenberg and that possibility of being able to be an athlete again. The game of lacrosse has taught me, most importantly, how to be a young man, respect the people around you, respect the sport. It made me realize that there's so much more within myself that I can see if I just dig a little deeper. This life is beautiful and I have so much more potential, and there's still always a new door opening.